20 Stoic lessons that will make you stronger. Have you ever felt like life is testing you again and again? Problems, stress, overthinking, people's opinions, your own emotions, and sometimes it feels like you're losing control. But what if I told you, strength doesn't come from controlling the world, it comes from controlling yourself? That's the core idea behind Stoicism, an ancient philosophy practiced by people like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. In this video, we're breaking down powerful Stoic lessons that can make you mentally stronger, calmer, and more focused, no matter what life throws at you. Let's start with a hard truth. Anger is self-punishment. When you stay angry, you're not hurting the other person, you're hurting yourself. Your body releases stress hormones, your mind loses clarity, and your peace disappears. Stoics believed anger is a loss of control, and control is everything. Now here's something powerful. Discipline is self-love. Most people think self-love means comfort, but real self-love is doing what's good for you, even when it's hard. Waking up early, working out, saying no, staying consistent. Discipline is not punishment, it's respect for your future self. Now let's talk about ego. Ego is the enemy of growth. When you think you already know everything, you stop learning. Stoicism teaches humility, because the more you know, the more you realize how much you don't know. Stay humble. Next lesson. Do the right thing, not the easy thing. Easy choices feel good in the moment. Right choices build your life in the long run. Every day you choose between comfort and growth, and those small choices define your future. Here's a powerful shift. You become unstoppable when you stop seeking approval. The moment you stop needing validation from others, you become free, because now your actions are guided by values, not opinions, and that's real power. Another lesson. You don't need to respond to everything. Not every comment deserves a reply. Not every situation needs your energy. Silence is often stronger than reaction. Now here's a truth most people don't like. The world owes you nothing. Life is not fair, but that's not a weakness, that's clarity. Because when you accept this, you stop waiting and start building. Most fears are illusions. Your brain exaggerates risks to protect you, but in reality, most things you fear never happen, and even if they do, you're stronger than you think. Now this is important. Let go of what you can't control. Trying to control everything leads to frustration. Stoics focus only on what they can control, their thoughts, actions, and reactions. Everything else, they release, because if you don't let go, it will control you. Strength is self-control. The strongest person is not the loudest, it's the one who can stay calm under pressure. Control over emotions is true power. Emotion kills logic. When you react emotionally, you lose clarity. That's why Stoics practiced pause, breathe, think, then respond, not react. Here's something deep. You suffer twice when you worry about the future, once in imagination, once in reality. Most suffering exists only in the mind. Stay present. Nothing deserves an immediate reaction. Sometimes the best move is to do nothing, observe, understand, then act. If something won't matter in 5 years, don't let it control your mood today. Most things we stress about are temporary. Keep perspective. Become the person your past self needed. Think about your younger self. What kind of person did they wish to become? Start becoming that person now. Focus on effort, not outcome. You control effort, you don't control results. When you focus on effort, you stay consistent, results follow. A wise mind listens more than it speaks. Talking shows what you know, listening shows how much you can learn. Suffering can become strength. Pain is not always negative. If you learn from it, it becomes growth. Routine builds warriors. Chaos builds victims. Your daily habits shape your strength. Consistency creates stability. And finally, your time is your life. Every minute you spend is a piece of your life gone. Guard it carefully, because once it's gone, you don't get it back. Now here's the deeper truth. Stoicism is not about becoming emotionless, it's about becoming unshakable. It's about staying calm when things go wrong, focused when things get hard, and grounded when everything feels uncertain. You don't need to control life, you need to control yourself. If this video made you think differently, like this video and subscribe to Happy Inspired Me for more powerful content on mindset, discipline, and mental strength. And tell me in the comments which Stoic lesson hit you the hardest, because sometimes one simple idea can change your entire life. I'll see you in the next video.